Do you know why most people stay broke even after earning well? Because they never learn the habits that actually build wealth. Flying money. In this video, I'm going to share 5 simple money habits that can completely change your financial life in 2025, even if you're starting with zero. So stay till the end, your rich journey starts today. Hey everyone. Welcome back to TechBucks AI, your digital guide to money, tech, and smart income ideas. If you love learning how to make and manage money online, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Light bulb, habit 1. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, buy anything, or spend on food, pay yourself first. Save at least 10 to 20% of your income the moment you receive it. Treat savings like an expense. This one shift will make you richer automatically because it builds the habit of keeping money, not just earning it. Light bulb, habit 2, invest early, even small. You don't need 10,000 rupees to start investing. Even 1,000 rupees a month can make a difference. Start with SIPs, index funds, or digital gold. The earlier you invest, the more your money grows through the power of compound interest. Remember, money doesn't grow by saving, it grows by investing. Light bulb, habit 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, don't let your expenses rise at the same speed. Most people buy a new phone or bike as soon as they get a raise. Smart people invest that extra income. Control your wants, and you'll always have enough to grow wealth. Light bulb, habit 4. Track every rupee. You can't improve what you don't measure. Use Google Sheets or expense tracker apps to record where your money goes. Once you start tracking, you'll be shocked how much you waste, and how easily you can save. Light bulb, habit 5. Learn and upgrade skills. The best investment is not the stock market, it's you. Learn new skills like AI tools, freelancing, content creation, or finance management. Every new skill increases your earning power, and that's how real wealth begins. So, which of these habits will you start today? Comment below and tell me your number 1 money goal for 2025. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechBucks AI for more tips on earning, saving, and growing your money with smart digital skills. Remember, small habits create big results. Let's get rich, smartly.